No one plans a bathroom renovation thinking, where am I supposed to shower tomorrow? But once the work starts, that question becomes very real very fast. Hi, I'm Curtis from Bytown Better Baths and Showers, and today I'm going to walk you through what really happens during your bathroom renovation, when the bathroom use might still be possible, and when it's honestly better to plan for alternatives. Every bathroom renovation goes through several stages, and each one affects usability differently. The first phase is demolition, when the old fixtures, wall systems, or flooring are removed. This is usually the most disruptive part of the process. Once demolition starts, the bathroom is no longer safe or suitable to be used. There's debris, exposed surfaces, and active work happening, and this is when the access is completely shut down. After demolition, the renovation moves into plumbing adjustments, waterproofing, and installation of new plumbing fixtures. During these stages, usability can vary. In some cases, especially with smaller projects like tub to shower conversions, you may still be able to use parts of the bathroom during certain times, often outside active work hours. However, the access is usually limited and depends heavily on the scope of the project. For the larger renovations or full bathroom remodels, the situation is different. Multiple fixtures may be removed at the same time, including a toilet or a shower. In homes with only one bathroom, this often means that there will be periods when the space is completely unavailable. Even if something technically still works, safety is always the priority. Exposed plumbing, open floors, tools, and construction materials can make the bathroom hazardous until everything is properly cleaned and secured. That's why preparation before the renovation starts is so important. Understanding the exact scope of your project helps to plan your daily routine around it. If certain fixtures won't be available, knowing that ahead of time will allow you to prepare alternatives and avoid unnecessary stress. This is especially critical with homes with only one bathroom, where even a short shutdown can feel like a large disruption. When partial use is possible, it is still important to expect some inconvenience. You may need to move some toiletries, adjust your schedule, or temporarily change your routine. Clear communication and realistic expectations go a long way in keeping the renovation experience manageable. There are also situations where using the bathroom during the renovation simply isn't ideal, even if limited access is technically possible. Safety concerns are a big factor, especially with debris, dust, or moisture present. Certain materials, particularly tile systems, require multiple layers and proper curing time, which can extend how long the bathroom needs to stay unused. Trying to work around active use can also slow down the project, and in some cases, increase labor costs due to repeated adjustments. And this explains why stepping away from the bathroom temporarily actually helps renovation move faster and more efficiently, leading to better results in the long run. A bathroom renovation doesn't have to feel stressful or uncertain. The key is understanding what the process actually looks like and make the entire experience become easier and far less stressful. So if you're considering updating your tub or shower, take the time to understand how the renovation will impact your day-to-day routine before the work begins, because that clarity makes all the difference. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.